Savannah and I are out thrifting. We got a few things. So when I get home, I will do a little haul. I want to redo my bedroom for summer, so I thought the thrift store would be a great place. And tomorrow is Friday, and I got a list, and there's going to be a lot of yard sales in my area. So I might be doing some yard selling tomorrow too, because I want to get some things for my room. And I've been out in the sun this morning while I drank my tea, and my face is a mess. I don't understand why I can't be out in the sun. It's my favorite thing. So because it's so hot, we did some thrifting. So I'm excited to show you guys though. Well, hello there and welcome to my bedroom, which we're going to be doing a summer refresh. As you saw in the clip before, I went to the Goodwill and I found some really cute finds. If you want to see each individual item, I did a haul on this a couple of videos back. I will link that video down in the description if you're interested in seeing that. But today, I'm going to be implementing all of the things that I picked up from the Goodwill to use in my bedroom. I mentioned in that video that also in that little clip that you just saw, that I was going to some yard sales, and I did. I didn't find any home decor that I was really interested in. The only thing that we took away from the yard sales is because we live in an apartment complex, we're not allowed to have grills here because of fire stuff. But we found an electric grill, and there's nothing in our lease that says we can't have an electric grill. So she wanted $30. We offered her $20 and she gave it to us for $20. So we got a new electric grill to be able to grill out on our balcony because there's no fire. And we already used it once and made hamburgers, and it was really nice to be able to grill out. So it's the only thing I took away from yard sales. So I don't have any additional decor to add to the bedroom if you did happen to watch that haul. So instead of talking about it, I'm so excited. It's early in the morning. It's first thing in the morning, actually. I need to get the bed made and start taking down some things. I think I'm going to switch out some of my plants. I do that every once in a while. I have a lot of plants in my home. They're spread all out throughout my home though. They're not all in one room. I have some in my living room. I have quite a few in my bedroom. I have a lot in my office, my kitchen. But I do that every often so that in different parts of the home, when the seasons change, the light comes in differently. And this particular window, which drives me absolutely crazy, and I totally forgot to ask my husband to do this last night, I don't know what it's called. You know, the stick that's hanging right there that turns the blinds open and close, that broke off. And I am not tall enough to reach at the very top because the little lip of it is still there. So you can turn it manually with your hands, but I'm not tall enough to reach it. And I wanted my husband to open this window because now that we're in the summer months, the sun comes from over here. So I want to switch out some of my plants so there's more plants kind of like on this side of the room. And I think I'm going to take some of these and put them out in my living room in front of the slider because I'm noticing they're not getting enough sun. They get a little droopy when they don't get enough sun. And that's simply because the sun changed with the changing of the seasons. We used to get a ton of sun out this window for like the winter and spring months, but now it's changed. So when things like that happens, I like to change up my plants. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be changing up some decor. And my room needs just a good cleaning, good sweep, a good dust. And we're just going to bring some summer vibe to this bedroom. Just a refresh. Not painting or anything of that nature. We rent, so I'm not privileged to do that. But I like the white. I like the airy. It's a beautiful summer day. Got a beautiful breeze coming in. So I'm just going to go for it and see what this new decor looks like. I've had these dream catchers for about 6-7 years, and I just feel like it's time to do something new. and I really love the boho look. So I feel like what I'm going to be adding today isn't going to be the end. I'm hoping over the summer I can collect more pieces, but we'll see where we go from there. So let's do a boho summer refresh in the bedroom. But first, let's get the floors cleaned up and dusted and the bed made. Then we'll go for it.
Late at night in the dark, at least when I'm not with you, it's like without you I just fall apart, and I don't know what I'm heading into, 'cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control, 'cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act. But I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, I like that you're free. I wanna be that way with you. Chasing highs to take the weight out of me. Far from lows, I don't ever feel blue, 'cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control, 'cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act. But I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, alive, alive. can't be alone. I used to be so.
One of you lovies told me to put mayonnaise on the sticker of the glass, so I'm doing that. So while that is doing that, I'm going to DIY this frame up to make it look pretty for the room. Okay, so I have this beautiful little Premier pad. I'm going to take some of these because I just love that. I think that's totally boho. I'm not going to use this as a picture frame, even though that's what it is. I'm going to make it like a picture frame, but without pictures. So I absolutely love this. And then on the ones that came with it, which are these stripes with the teal, which I absolutely love. See how beautiful that goes? I have all of these beautiful stickers that I might just add one or two. And then I have the Tim Holtz, which has birds and like almost the same exact prints as these. So I might add one of those to that. I have these stickers too that came from the dollar store. They're absolutely just beautiful. Like the teal, like this would be beautiful with the butterfly and the teal. So I'm just gonna add some stickers to the ones that came with it to this. And then I'm gonna pick some paper out of this little pad and put it in the ones that didn't have anything in it. And that is how I'm going to make this frame work for my bedroom, because I don't want personal pictures in it. I want it to carry that theme. So this is what I'm going to do with my stash that I have always on hand. And once I get it finished, I'll show it to you. So the mayonnaise did indeed work. And this is what I came up with. I think it looks really cute. It's going to pull in those colors, the butterflies, and those other pictures. I think this turned out adorable. So the next step is to get this on my wall. And thank you for the tip of the mayonnaise because it came right off. Looks good. Okay, I'm gonna go in now and see what I like. I forgot that I had these two baskets that I got from Goodwill prior. I'm gonna show you that I got them from Goodwill. And I love baskets. I really think baskets speak boho. And because of the color of the baskets, I really thought that they would pick up the flections of gold that are on that like antiqued picture frame that I DIY'd. So I really thought this would kind of pull together. And then I thought because I had birds and butterflies and things, I thought I would use that little feather that I was going to use on the other side of my room. It is an older piece of decor that I had up before, but I really do like it. So I'm going to see if I can't arch it over the round basket, as you can see there. So I think that looks good, and I think that picks up more of that teal color, and I think it just pulls it all together. And then I'm going to start bringing some decor that I picked up from the Goodwill onto the dresser below. So one of the things that I've learned in home decor and decorating and refreshes is that you just have to try different things. You're going to see in this spot that I had an idea. I wanted to use a piece that I had before with it, and when I got it hung up, I was like, I I just don't like it. And I remembered that I had other basket parts that I had bought quite a while ago from Goodwill that I thought would pick up the bright vibrant pinks and like maroons in the picture with the bird, and I try those and I end up liking those much better. So don't be afraid to try different things. Don't get something set in your head and then when you get it up you're like and afraid to like try something different. Trying new things is what makes home decor exciting. It's what makes it fun. It's what makes it your style. It makes it your home. Don't be afraid to just try new things. Don't be afraid to go outside of niches or what you think it should look like, because you might surprise yourself when you try something different or new. Thanks so much for joining me today. I really hope that you liked my summer bedroom refresh with my little bit of a boho twist to it. I'm excited to pick up more pieces. I really think I could add some more. I have a whole nother wall that you guys don't even see that's across from my bed that I'd like to add some things to. So I'm excited to continue to bring life to this bedroom. But for right now, I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Until the next video, guys, know that I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. Until then, guys, take care of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovies.
We went head first into the fire until we crashed and burned.